So I'm Steve Hoffman, the Managing Director for Aircom Industrial IoT. We're going to talk a little bit about some of the telemetry solutions that you can apply to your RNG process. Louis is my colleague and also our business development manager for EMEA on the Aircom product line as well, which is part of YZ. So the Aircom product is a sensor agnostic hazardous area telemetry solution that can monitor basically any part of your RNG process, ranging from your odorizer to different pressures, gas quality, all the way up into the production side as well. So you go to the next slide, please. Key benefits of Aircom, which leverages LoRaWAN as the communication protocol. So you can bring in to a single Aircom unit up to 5 analogs, 4 digital, and 2 serial inputs from any instrument. You can send that data up to 10 miles, depending on topography, and have up to 10-year battery life in that application to power the sensor and take the readings. The data is encrypted end-to-end, so it's AES-128 encrypted. And it allows you to save money compared to legacy solutions. So typically to install our system is less than it will cost you just to bring out, say, a hydrovac machine or something like that to trench and run conduit. And it is ATEX Zone 0 and Class 1 Div 1 approved, so it can sit right there in the hazardous areas, taking readings from sensors and sending those back. So how does LoRaWAN work at a high level? So you've got the end nodes, which would be those hazardous area devices you're seeing in the previous picture that are connected up to the sensors in your process, sending that data up to 10 miles to a gateway. That gateway is forwarding that data on to a cloud server. And ultimately from that cloud server, then you can bring that data out to other applications if you want to through MQTT or other APIs that we can integrate in there so that you can view that data wherever you want to see all your data together. Next slide, please. So just to highlight our Aircom ADHD end node, and you can see there the difference with the HD is we add 3 additional analog inputs on it. So with the Aircom end nodes, you can have up to 5 analog inputs. So we can loop power those instruments, take the readings and send them back. 2 of those are highly configurable for either active, passive, HART, RTD, thermocouple, voltage, or resistance. The other 3 on the HD are just going to be passive only. 4 volt-free digital inputs. Those are configurable. The first 2 can be configured as a pulse count input for, say, a flow meter that you may have monitoring gas. And then the last 2 can be configured as a cry out function. So if you say you set up your data to be sent back every 5 minutes with that cry out feature, if it detects a change in state on that digital, it'll wake up and send immediately. So if you have it connected in, say, to an alarm input or something like that, you'll be notified immediately. 2 RS-45 channels for bringing back Modbus data. So up to 20 Modbus registers can be sent back. And that long battery life we talked about before and the intrinsically safe design that can be put right there in the hazardous area are what make this product line a real advantage. You go to the next slide, please. And ultimately, what you care about is being able to monitor that data and get it back so you can make decisions and understand what's going on. And this is where you can deploy a gateway for your RNG facility, which is going to create that LoRaWAN coverage to receive all the data packets coming back from Aircoms that could be scattered around that RNG facility. And then ultimately build a web-based dashboard to be able to monitor all those different parameters through your RNG process and bring those right back to where you can see it in a meaningful way and create a customized dashboard to kind of look at what's going on inside your process. And this is just showing a snapshot of a dashboard we built out for odorization monitoring. So we could take this and expand upon this concept for your RNG station as well. So in summary, you can leverage the Aircom products to be able to connect up to any sensors in your process, be able to bring that data from the hazardous area back, ultimately to a web-based dashboard so you can see it and make decisions to help improve and increase efficiency.